Hello everyone, just wanted to show you something I found here on this LG portable AC. If you're not getting any cold air out of this thing, then what you want to do is first clean out the filter, vacuum. You can also wash it out with warm water and some detergent. Don't use super hot water. Um, Basically, just a bunch of dust on here, and you can kind of tap it, and the dust comes off pretty easy. But I want to talk about this E5 error. If you get that, that means that there's a little plug here on the bottom, and there's a tank in here, and the condensation flows into the tank, and eventually, I've never had this happen, but it will fill up, and you need to drain that. You'll get this E5 error. Uh, Unplug the air conditioner, drain the tank, then plug in the air conditioner and restart it. It says that it defaults to 75 degrees Fahrenheit once started. So let's see. Okay, so the tank is a 2-pint tank, because you can just place a pan under here and drain the water into the 2-pint pan. Don't forget to reinstall the cap. Also, you definitely want to make sure you have your hose here vented out the window. I one night closed the window for a little bit because it was super loud outside and I couldn't get any sleep. So I popped it back forward, and I just did that for maybe like an hour or something. But this thing doesn't do any good because there's so much hot air coming off of the compressor in here. It just recirculates this hot air. So you need to vent this out a window for sure. This is where the hose goes, the ventilation hose for the exhaust coming out. But yeah, clean the filter, drain the water, vent this outside, out the window, and it's a good air conditioner. I've had mine for 2 years. It works great. Hope this video helps. Please like so other people can find this video, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll also have updates if I figure out anything else with this. So by subscribing, you'll see all the updates on this LG portable air conditioner. Thank you.